Hey, come on. Yeah, pass it over here. Yeah, over here. Send it to me. Let's play. Come on, faster. Over here. Let's go. Come on.
Guys, it's dangerous to play in this street. The policemen will be angry. What's wrong? You hurry like there's a fire somewhere.
Miss Dove's house is on fire. Give my hose back.
You can unroll that thing, and we will go to save Mrs. Dove. Mrs. Dove is on fire.
Yeah, and she smells so delicious.
We thought your house is burning.
Oh, I bought some fresh coal and now I'm making a very tasty barbecue. Ethan, try it. Is it ready yet or not?
Thanks.
I need another piece. May I have it?
What's burning here?
I wanted to say the barbecue was delicious. Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Let's make the barbecue for ourselves. I'm so tired of homemade food. Follow me.
I know where to get the best coals.
Don't you think the coal we have picked is too big?
No, they aren't. They'll be good. I know it for sure.
Okay, and what is that flat iron thing? And where are we going to cook our food?
I guess we'll have to cut it.
Be careful!
Woo. You know, I don't think I want to eat that delicious barbecue anymore.
I don't want either. It became so firm. You know, I would love to have some homemade food.
Mom, do we have something to eat?
Ethan, I'm happy you came. I bought some coal. Will you help me make the barbecue?
Barbecue, huh? Delicious, huh?
Why would a pile of snow just run away like that?
Storm warning, everybody! A snowstorm is coming! Snowstorm! Everybody must stay inside of a closed shelter. Until the snowstorm is over, there is a storm warning. Everyone must stay inside of a closed shelter. Oh.
Ow. Mr. Clockface ran away too. Everyone is misplaced today. Let's see if George is at home.
Plus, minus, then multiply it by...
Oh, great! Now I got misplaced as well. Why did you hang a magnet in your room, George?
I'm testing magnetic features.
You see, I'm trying to find out what makes people attracted to each other. Take us, we are friends. But why? I would blame it all on magnetic features. This is my research. Do not tell, it's a secret for now.
Ow! Why couldn't you investigate soft floors, for example? Yours is painful to fall on.
So tell me, what has brought you to my premises? Are we going somewhere?
No can do. We have no choice but to stand still, and we can't go out. Haven't you heard that a snowstorm is near?
Really? A snowstorm? That's awesome!
What's so awesome about a snowstorm?
A true friendship, Ethan, shows up at times like this with storms and amazing twisters. Now we're going to test the power of magnetic features.
I'm not letting you out. The storm warning announced very clearly that you must not leave your house. Oh! Ouch! George, please stop!
So now I'm testing the power of magnetic features. Turn the magnet on full capacity. It won't let the storm take me away.
But how can I turn it on? I'm stuck on the ceiling. Ow! Georgie! 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 Georgie!
Ethan, what happened?
Hey guys, the storm took George away. We must get him back quickly.
But how do we know where to look for him? The storm was huge. He could be buried deep in the snow.
Georgie! Georgie! Georgie!
Excuse me, I'm Mr. Clockface, not George. Oh, heck, I'm buried in deep snow.
Did you see George?
Well, he could be anywhere by now.
Oh, if George is buried in deep snow, he might freeze. He's not a pig made of iron. Well, I mean, he is made of iron, technically speaking, but he isn't cast iron, if you know what I mean.
That's true. George is made of iron.
Oh, we found you, George.
Here is the power of magnetic features. And of course, the power of true friendship.
Hey there, kids. Does your magnet transport work only on George? Or could it maybe also, well, do you think that it could also take me away?
Watch out! I'm first! I'm first!
Let's play war. I'll be a general. Follow me.
No, guys, let's play mothers and daughters. That'll be better. Or let's build a doll's shop. Huh?
We're surrounded.
Hey, maybe we should go to headquarters.
Anthony, what are headquarters?
Headquarters is a secret place that only we know about. It's where we can gather in secret and have secret meetings.
That's cool. Great.
Tell me, could there be a shop at the headquarters?
Did you say a shop?
Maybe you'd better make a kitchen there, Vera. There are kitchens in headquarters.
Oh, yes, we need a kitchen.
Let's get to work then. I'll get some branches.
And I'll get some leaves.
But don't break any branches. Only pick up the ones on the ground.
This is great.
I really wish I had my spyglass here. We could have watched the stars.
And cups with a pot. We would drink some tea.
I'm going to bring some paper and pencils so we can make a secret map.
I'd bring something interesting too. Something real.
Well, okay then, but don't tell anybody about our secret headquarters.
Vera, don't say a word about us.
Okay, I promise.
So we're all agreed. Not a single word.
Not a single word.
Vera, where have you been? I've made your favorite pancakes for you.
Mom, I'm sorry, but I don't have time now. I also need a few cups and a teapot.
I'll give you whatever you want if you tell me where you're going.
But, Mommy dear, I can't tell you that. It's a secret.
Vera.
Now, George, don't take the telescope outside. I mean, what would happen if it accidentally broke?
But I'm taking it to... Oh, I promised my friends not to say anything.
But aren't we your friends, too?
1, 2, 1, 2. Now get ready. Ready for training. Everyone. Everyone.
Grandpa, please don't be upset. I can't. I really have to go now.
If it's not a secret, well then tell me where you're going.
But Grandpa, I can't tell you. It's a secret.
I understand that. Don't worry. I'm as dumb as a fish. I'm as dumb as a fish.
I guess that everyone is there already, and I haven't invented anything yet, unfortunately. But I know who can help me. Clockface! Clockface!
What?
Help me find
What?
something interesting, please.
Interesting for exactly what, Ethan?
I can't tell you that, though. Well, then we can't help you. But do you promise not
Yes.
to tell anyone?
Oh, yes.
It's a secret.
Of course.
Hey, guys! Look what Sam Sparky found for our headquarters.
Huh? Oh, dear, Ethan. Did you tell our secret to Sam Sparky?
We don't have any secrets
We have
anymore.
no headquarters. Why should we have secrets among friends when we are friends already?
So it wasn't just me who shared everything?
Of course that wasn't
Well, it's
only
good
you.
that we found everything out. It's very
And
good.
now we can build new headquarters together.
Hey, George, the stars are so beautiful here. They're amazing.
I told you that.
Hey, guys, let's drink some tea. The tea is ready.
Oh, Vera, what will we do without you?
Oh.
I wonder, if I write Paris instead of Train Town on the sign, will we get more guests?
Ethan, we should also have other things here, like sightseeings as well.
I think a foreigner will more likely pass by the town before we have any sightseeings to offer.
Coming through. Oh, coming through. Excusez-moi. There is a package for you from Paris. Open it up, s'il vous plaît. Oh, I have so many things to do. C'est la vie.
Oh, it says Paris. Did they send the whole of Paris to your grandpa? What could be inside?
I don't know. We'll find out when Grandpa opens it.
Grandpa's only coming in the evening, and that's a long time. Maybe we'll open it ourselves.
That isn't right, Ethan. You shouldn't open someone's package.
I know how to look at what's inside this box, my friends, without opening it. This is an X-ray machine. You can look through things with the help of it.
Huh?
So you thought of using it on the box, didn't you, George? You're a genius.
There's something triangular there. I don't understand what it is anyway.
That's why we need to open it right now.
Wow!
Let me see. Whoa.
Oh, no! Ethan, you know, you didn't break the box. You broke Grandpa's heart.
Anthony,
Huh?
was there a package for me? I ordered a statuette. It will remind me of beautiful Paris. Oh, Paris. When I was just a little train many years ago, I went to a Paris exposition. It's a marvelous city. Charming, charming.
But I can't lie. We need to tell Grandpa that we broke the statuette, his memory of Paris.
You're right. We must confess. But we should bring back his memory of Paris, too.
Ethan, but how?
What did you say about sightseeings before?
Hello? Is this the post office? I know it's really quite late, yeah? But why haven't you brought my package to me? It should have been here by now.
Grandpa.
Wait a minute. Can't you see that I'm on the telephone?
Grandpa, wait. There will be no package. We broke it by accident. I'm sorry. I really am.
You what?
Yes, I know it's not right to open someone else's packages, but we...
Oh, you have no idea what you've done to my poor heart.
Turn it on!
Grandpa, please, forgive us for breaking the statuette.
Anthony, look, guys. The thing you broke was very important. But the thing you have built for me right here is much more precious. Much more precious, yes.
Tell me, have you visited the Egyptian pyramids by any chance yet?
This is our Hall of Fame, everybody. Tomorrow is Victory Day, and I've decided to bring you here to learn a few things about our past.
Look over here, come quick. It's a locomotive. And I thought that only tanks and cannons took part in the war.
Locomotives, too. They were important in the war as well, of course. They performed the most difficult and important job of all. They brought ammunition for our troops and transported the wounded to the hospitals behind our lines.
It's for bravery. Whose medal is this?
It belongs to a hero, an unknown locomotive. Our troops were completely surrounded. They were almost all out of ammunition. And then suddenly, one brave locomotive broke through the enemy's lines and brought them ammunition. After our troops received the supplies, they broke the occupation and they won. But the locomotive was wounded and he lost his wheel. He deserves this medal, but unfortunately he wasn't alive to receive it, and nobody even remembers his name.
How is that possible?
Anything can happen in a war.
Do you know what happened to that train?
Nobody really knows. It's written on the medal, Medal for the Unknown Hero. And now you know whose example you should be following. Now George, Vera, and I are going to the concert hall for the preparations before the big show this evening.
And me?
Well, how would you like to go to Grandpa Billy and invite him to come to the concert? He's also a veteran of the war.
Hello there, Grandpa Billy.
Well, hello there, Ethan, my boy.
My dad told me to invite you to our concert, which is tomorrow.
Oh, thank you so much for the invitation. I'll definitely come.
See you tomorrow, Billy. Oh, dear me.
What happened, Ethan, my boy? What happened?
Well, was that you who broke the occupation and brought ammunitions to the troops?
Well, where did you hear that from? Who was it that told you
My
that
father
story?
told me at the museum.
Well, why do you think that was me, huh?
It's the numbers that are on your wheel. They're the same as the one in the picture. There was also a medal in the museum.
Hey.
Grandpa Billy, why didn't you tell anyone that it was you who did all of that? That's a real feat you did, you know. You deserve a medal for that.
Oh, Ethan, my boy, there's only one real reward when you're fighting a war, and that is victory. Victory, and that's what we all fought for. Yes, indeed.
And after all of these years, we finally know the name of the unknown hero. And we finally know whose medal that was that we saw back in the museum.
Ah, thank you so much, Ethan. Yes, indeed, you are very observant. You are just like a real Secret Service agent. That's what I would say you are, my boy.
Happy holiday, Grandpa Billy.
George, is that a mushroom on you?
That's not a mushroom, but my new invention, Umbrella for Friends.
You will get wet under that invention. I'm curious, where's the rain?
Rain, rain, rain.
When friends get under the umbrella, it increases in size. You can hide here too. There's enough space for us all.
I always hiccup when I'm surprised.
That was really, really cool. Even Arnold started to hiccup. Come on, Arnold. You infected me with hiccups.
Lightning is a very powerful discharge of electricity, and unmanageable electricity is very dangerous.
And very harmful. I once licked a battery and lost my appetite. And once a big hailstone fell on my head, and it was the size of a football.
And you lost your appetite, right?
No, I didn't lose anything. In fact, I got something. A big bump on my forehead.
Who will reach the rainbow first? I'll be the first. Sam Sparky the Rocket.
It's so beautiful. It's so interesting how it feels.
Well, the rainbow is next to my house, right? It means the rainbow is mine. Wait, wait.
Arnold's rainbow, do not enter. Arnold, what's this?
What? There's only one rainbow, and a lot of us. And now, there's dust all over my rainbow. I have to wash it. Wait! My rainbow! Don't leave me!
Now, Arnold. The rainbow belongs to everyone, not just to you. Like the air and the sunshine.
I'm sorry, guys.
I have an awesome idea.
Are you sure it's awesome? Done, but there are too many sails.
The more, the better.
Ethan, good job.
Oh, the weather is bad.
Ethan, remove the sails. A storm is coming.
I'm not afraid. I have anchors. Ah, George, help me! Ah!
Wow. Look how creative Ethan is.
That's cool.
I want to do that. George, are you waiting for your turn?
What is this circus?
Huh? Circus? Coming to our city? They say we'll have a circus. Come see it, and I'll be there.
It's always a circus around here without an actual circus.
Oh, I've had a headache since morning. I'm just sure it's going to rain. Why are you always in a hurry, Ethan?
I'm not. I just can't stop.
I'm trying, but I can't stop it. My brakes are very old.
I didn't know that Grandpa Billy and Ethan work in a circus.
Eitan, go to Mr. Clockface.
What's going on?
Oh, thank you, Mr. Clockface.
You're welcome. Just tell me what that was.
Hey, will there be other races?
Why don't you ask the policeman?
Adults never let children take part in races, but they race themselves.
Now, do you understand your mistake?
The sails were too big?
Of course, we'll make them smaller next time. And we will repair my brakes and,
There will be no next time.
Oh, really? I can't believe my ears.
I don't think it's interesting being a ship. But being a plane...
Mom! Mom! I'm here! Listen! Mom! I wrote a book! A novel! And it's about adventures!
Sweetie, I'm sorry. I really have no time right now. I have to clean the house.
Please, Mom! Dad! Dad! Dad, hey! I wrote a novel! It's about a hero! Dad! A novel! It's about adventures!
Hey, kiddo, could you wait for just a minute? I'm just trying to adjust this small plug here.
Oh, please, Dad!
Quiet, please.
What lovely weather for astronomy this year. Listen, I wrote a book. A novel. About adventures and stuff.
True writers write novels. That's what I think anyway.
They all have these long, long beards. You know that, right?
And these true writers are very old, and that's because they've been learning to write novels their entire life. And they all grew so very old by the end of their careers.
Oh, hi there, Ethan. Come and play with us.
No, thank you, girls. I will stand here with you.
What are all those papers in your bag?
Oh, you mean these? They're nothing, really.
Please tell us what they are.
Oh, please, Ethan. Just tell us already.
Well, it's, I wrote a book, you know. It's called The Frightless Hero.
Oh, wow. That's super cool. Can you read it to us?
Well, I don't know. I'm really not a true writer.
Oh, never mind. We want to listen.
Okay, listen. It was a gloomy night. A gloomy night in the city. How was it?
It was awesome.
It was so amazing. You're a real talent.
Oh, wow. We could never write like this, ever.
Do you think you will continue it? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is Ethan home?
He must be in his room. He's been in there all day. We're a little worried.
Tell me, is there anything urgent? Can I leave him a message, maybe?
Ethan wrote a book, a great big novel.
And he read it to us. And we were thrilled to bits.
With the novel, I mean.
And Ethan promised to write a sequel.
And so we came.
That's interesting. We'd love to hear that, really.
Oh, may I please stand here? Over here with you, if you don't mind.
Quiet, please.
The first chapter.